Hello, how you doing? So what we're doing today is belly pork and cabbage. Really quite easy, absolutely stunning. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we're going to get started with our belly pork. I've got 500 grams there, which is about a pound. Cut it into that sort of size. We're going to get to the cooker and render that down just a little bit. Then obviously we're going to add some more ingredients. So I've got my wok on the go here, and I've got some olive oil in there. We're going to drop in our belly pork, and to that, just at this stage, we're going to go black pepper, generous amount, and salt. Slightly above medium heat, about 5 or 6 minutes. Okay, so that's got some lovely colour on it. Now, this is not too bad, it's not over fatty, because sometimes it renders out and you'll end up it swimming in oil, so you need to reduce that oil, but for me that's alright, it's not too bad. 1 cup of onions, 1 tablespoon of garlic. Stay on this heat 3 minutes. Beautiful. Next up, we're going to add some spices. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of chili powder and 2 of cumin. You can really play around with these spices if you want, get something else in there. But I think these two go really well together. Next, we're going to add our cabbage, white cabbage. Nice big bowl of that. And we're going to cook now for 5 to 6 minutes. Again, stay on this heat, stirring away. The cabbage will cook down slightly. That's like 5 or 6 minutes. You can see that the cabbage is starting to break down. Final stage, we're going to drop in 1 decent sized tomato, little splash of water. Turn the heat up to maximum now. 4 more minutes, pretty much done. So that little bit of water and the tomatoes breaking down has created enough moisture in there for me. That is beautiful. Check it for salt and pepper. Off goes the heat. I've got some chopped parsley here, flat leaf parsley. Gonna get that in the mix. Job done. Let me get that on a plate. And there you have it, belly pork and cabbage, a little bit spicy, really easy to make, really delicious. I hope you enjoy that. I'll see you really soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.